Weinstein was once a fixture on the red carpets, a celebrated producer, an Oscar winner who could make careers in the movie business. Then came the allegations that revealed a dark side to the glamour. It gave rise to the Me Too and Time's Up campaigns. On the red carpets, stars dressed in black as a show of support for victims in this industry and beyond. In public, at least, Weinstein's ignored questions about the allegations against him.
Guess we ain't need no help from Oprah. Let her go and try to deal with Russell Simmons. Weinstein is coming out anyway. It's steady. It's progressing. I thought it was down the drain. I guess we don't need Oprah. They're going to try to do something. I don't know if you can call it justice, but he ain't done with it.
Do you believe all of those women are lying? Do you believe they're lying, sir?
But others have been more vocal.
Nobody's gonna say anything! Nobody's really gonna say anything!
His appearance in the audience at an event for young actors in October, prompting this reaction from some of those there. Harvey Weinstein has pleaded not guilty to the charges he faces. He recently said he should be remembered for helping female actors and directors.
Weinstein had tried to pull the walker out and everything. You know that don't do no good. You seen Bill had the cane. He couldn't hardly see and everything. Man, you might as well put that walker up. Your back was good enough when you was doing them damn acts. Don't get to try to play decrepit now. No. Like I say, you gotta laugh at this stuff sometimes.
Arriving with the aid of a walking frame for a trial on charges of rape and sexual assault. If convicted, he could be jailed for life. Outside court, some of the dozens of women who've made allegations against him, here to show their support for the victims in court.
They are going to be so traumatized by going through this trial.
These celebrities, man, they be going through it. That goes to show you that too much power can be dangerous. Because you see the way that man look. He pulling the power card out. Man, was it worth it, Weinstein? I think you was tripping. What y'all think about this, though? I'm just glad he gonna have his day in court, too.
I can't even imagine. I never got that day in court. Maybe I was lucky. But I hope to God they prevail, and I hope justice is served.
When I got here this morning, I felt more settled. And when he walked out of the car and we were able to stand there in our strength and just look at him and see that he couldn't even bear to make eye contact with us, it was a really powerful moment. It made it very clear that we hold the power here. We hold the strength here, and he really can't hurt us anymore.
Harvey Weinstein will be charged with 4 counts of sexual assault in Los Angeles County, deepening the legal peril faced by the fallen Hollywood mogul as his trial on similar charges in New York City is set to begin this month. We believe the evidence will show that the defendant used his power and influence to gain access to his victims and then commit crimes against them, Lacey said in a statement. I want to commend the victims who have come forward and bravely recounted what happened to them. What y'all think about this Weinstein? That man gonna get his day in court? Is justice gonna be brought to Weinstein and the victims? Or is it all fugazi? Weinstein repeatedly denied any wrongdoing. Donna Rotuno, his defense attorney in the New York case, declined to comment on the Los Angeles County case. His lawyers in Southern California could not immediately be reached for comment. My advice to any woman that may be going through some crazy sexual harassment charges, don't wait. If that's going down, go ahead and make it happen. Push the button. Go and press charges against the lousy mom. You know what I mean? Get that done. Don't wait. Then we can't sit here, us fellas, we can't sit here and say, well, why she wait 10 years? Why she go ahead and get it done? File your charges. If there's a complaint, make the complaint. It was not immediately clear how or if the announcement of charges in LA County would affect the New York case. Lacey suggested the Manhattan trial would proceed first. A spokesman for the Manhattan District Attorney's Office declined to comment. Man tried to bring the rollator out. Man, Bill Cosby, man, he half blind and they sent him that way. The fallen mogul will be charged with forcible rape, forcible oral copulation, sexual penetration by use of force, and sexual battery by restraint. Old Mr. Weinstein thought his ass slid on out of there. Old Mr. Weinstein, I thought he had got away. The fallen mogul will be charged with forcible rape, forcible oral copulation, sexual penetration by use of force, and sexual battery by restraint. Prosecutor said in a statement, neither victim has been identified publicly. One woman is among the six, I say the six, expected to testify against Weinstein in the New York trial, prosecutors said. The other LA County accuser is a former model and actress who described the alleged assault to the Times in 2017. Some of his cases are only a handful, 5 to 6 years old. What's taking them so long? Bill was looking at decades of, decades old accusations, and he is out of there. So I'm waiting to see what's going to happen with Mr. Weinstein. They found his ass in the daylight with a flashlight. He thought it was over with. Let's see. It's going to get deep. The rabbit hole goes deep.